Hi everyone, I'm Bill Holcomb and welcome to today's beginner's tutorial. Today we're painting a beautiful minimalist beach landscape that's perfect for beginners. I'll guide you step by step, so even if you've never picked up a brush before, you'll walk away with a calming seaside scene you'll be proud of. So grab your paints, let's get comfortable and let's paint watercolors. So some clear water here and there in the sky area, leaving a few gaps, and then that mixture of cobalt blue and cobalt turquoise being laid down in the sky here and there, leaving some white gaps for clouds, which we'll come on to a bit later. And then all across the ocean area, carry on that blue. So a large wash using the number 12 brush to achieve that, working quite fast. Come all the way down. Remember, as always, to mop up your edges. Dry your brush. Then with that slightly damp brush, dried of pigment, I'm just fusing in the cloud areas, leaving some whites, making it look as natural as possible. Then I'm mopping up the edges with that thirsty brush. Important to do that so you don't get what we call creep back. Dry it off, as always, it dries lighter, then get your flat brush and you can do some lifting. So just clear water on that flat brush, a handy clean tissue, lay down some water and then lift that pigment off with the clean tissue. We're just showing a little bit of very faint wave action, light areas on the ocean. You can make that as contrasting as you wish. I've made it quite subtle. If you want it more pronounced, then you would continue that process even more to get down to the light part of the paper. And this paper, Arches, is very robust. It's excellent for lifting. Then I've got my yellow ochre mixture all across the beach area. Then I go into my green mixture, and the area of the far area where the trees will be, and some of that beach area further inland, gone over that too. Then the palm trees, very simply done, and you can switch to something like a number 6 brush at this stage, and if you want even more control, then use a smaller brush such as a number 2. So your choice as to what you use. Bring some of that green over where I laid the yellow ochre, and then also along the beach area, some little indication of grasses that have washed up from the beach onto the beach, from the ocean onto the beach. Then I'm mixing up a very thick version of the yellow ochre and Winsor Blue, and I'm darkening the various trees, palm trees. You'll notice with these, they're pretty bashed about by the weather, the strong winds, etc. They're along the beach, so they're not neatly trimmed. So remember that. You're not aiming for perfection in those trees, just doing enough to tell the story as to what they are. This is an easy version, so some detail, but not massive detail. Something that I'll know you'll be able to achieve as a beginner. And then the darker part at the bottom of the palm trees, and then the more greener version coming up to the tops of the trees. Very simple, very easy to do, perfect for beginners. This will just take you a few minutes to do. It's good for practicing, helps you understand and control your wet and wet washes and achieve a little bit of detail but not getting too complicated. Now it's up to you. You could make it more complicated. You could add some birds in the sky. You could add some boats. Entirely what you may wish to do. And here's a reveal. Take the tape off. And there we have finished easy beach scene. I know you can do that one. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give my other beginner videos a try by clicking this thumbnail.